Our lives depend on biological diversity. Species and ecosystems are disappearing at an unsustainable rate. We humans are the cause. We stand to lose a wide variety of environmental goods and services that we take for granted. The consequences for economies and people will be profound, especially for the world's poorest people. In 2002, world leaders agreed to substantially reduce the rate of biodiversity loss by 2010. We know already that the biodiversity target will not be met. We need new vision and new efforts. Business as usual is not an option. For this International Year of Biodiversity, I call on every country and each citizen of our planet to join together in a global alliance to protect life on Earth. Biodiversity is life. Biodiversity is our life.